In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use list view in Wrike. If you're new to Wrike or looking to optimize your project management workflow, understanding how to navigate the list view can significantly enhance your efficiency and oversight capabilities. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, start by navigating to your Wrike dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects, tasks, and collaborative efforts are easily accessible. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. The dashboard is the launchpad for everything you do within Wrike, so getting comfortable with accessing it is key. Once you're on the Wrike dashboard, your next move is to locate and click on the View option. It's usually prominently displayed, but if you're having a little trouble finding it, take a moment to explore the menu options. The View functionality in Wrike allows you to toggle between different perspectives of your data, making it a powerful tool for project management. After clicking on View, you will want to select the board view. This might seem counterintuitive since we are focusing on list view, but trust the process. By selecting board, you're setting the stage to switch and manipulate various views, like lists, that pertain to your tasks and projects. The board view offers a visually intuitive way of handling projects, providing a bird's eye view of your tasks and columns representing different stages or categories. Following our move to board view, it's time to direct your attention to the Create button. Clicking Create allows you to add new elements to your project framework, such as tasks, folders, and more. This function is crucial for customizing and expanding your project needs within the list view interface. Next, give the priority option a click. Prioritizing is integral to efficient project management. It lets you sort and organize your tasks based on urgency or importance, ensuring that critical tasks don't slip through the cracks. When you're in list view, setting priorities helps maintain a clear picture of what needs immediate attention versus what can wait until later. Finally, rounding off our walkthrough is the columns option. Clicking on columns in the list view allows you to add, remove, or customize the columns that you see. This level of customization is invaluable as it gives you control over what data points are visible, offering a tailored view that caters to your specific project management needs. There you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating and utilizing the list view in Wrike. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up to manage your projects with greater precision and flexibility. Remember, mastery comes with practice. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment within Wrike's dynamic platform to see what works best for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.